Hello, today we will be reviewing the Nature Valley Chewy Trail Mix Dark Chocolate Cherry Granola Bar 7.4 ounce, specifically the 4-pack. This is a great product and a great value. This package comes with 4 boxes with 6 bars per box for a total of 24 bars. The dark chocolate cherry flavor is very tasty and is a great snack for someone who wants to watch their carb and sugar intake. They are very filling and are a great work snack. They are made with real fruit and have no artificial flavors or colors and have no high fructose corn syrup. This specific 4-pack is great for filling up a pantry or snack drawer for a great price. This product has over 15,000 reviews and is a 4.7 rating at the time of this recording. This product is 150 calories and some of the ingredients include whole grain oats, corn syrup, semi-sweet chocolate chunks, sugar, but only 8 grams of total sugar, almonds, and rice flour. This product does contain almond, soy, and may contain milk ingredients. Some other customers like the taste, value, and health of the snack bars. They mentioned they're ideal for a snack and quick breakfast, easy to chew, and are a good source of protein. Customers also appreciate that the bars are easy to carry and fill, and are filling.